Quickly, let me show you how you can achieve this beautiful curl from the comfort of your home with the normal braids you have. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're a newcomer, you are highly welcome. And if you love more hairstyle videos, please subscribe to my channel for more hairstyle videos. Let's dive into the hair. Today I am making a curl extension from my home, and I'm going to show you how to achieve it. With that, I started by braiding the hair down and went in to cut the braids I have. The braid I have is 2 meters long, but I had to cut it into 3 sections to give me the size that I want. After that, I went in to fill in the hair using my crochet. So after filling the hair and make sure that it's well covered, then you can move to the next step. As you see in the video, the hair is well covered, and now I am going to the next step in which I have to curl the hair. So I separated the hair into small sections as you see in the video. I went in to secure it with the thread. No matter the color of the thread, it doesn't matter because you're not going to have it for the whole time. So after that, I start twisting the thread around the hair as you see in the video. Just twist the thread, but make sure you give it a space. Don't twist it so close and not too far. Just somehow in the middle as you see in the video. So I always refer you to the video because sometimes the explanation might not be perfect that can help you to understand, but when you see, you will learn more. So after twisting the hair, the thread around the hair, then you squeeze it as you pull the thread and you push the hair back. It will give you that look. And after you get that look, make sure you secure the last part of the hair very well with the thread, because any slight mistake, if it untied itself, then you will lose the curl. So after that, cut the excess thread, and yeah, let me replay it again as you see in the video how I achieved the curl. I secure the thread down and start twisting the thread around the braids. Look carefully at the video. I am twisting the thread around the braid, and make sure you give it a space, not too big, not very big. So it has to be to the level that is okay. Yeah, and then the second important step is to secure the last part of the thread, of the braid. Roll the thread tight around the braid and tie it very well. This, when you dip the hair into hot water like this, you will not, the braid will not lose itself, so that it will remain tight. Guys, the water is so hot, I am shaking, and yeah, I thank God that it's done. And now I'm cutting off the thread. Remember that there is a remaining excess of the hair, so you have to cut off that so that it can give you flawless curl to the end. And then after cutting, you untie the thread and as well as the twist. So you have to untie it and just to let every section feel free and on its own. Yeah, that is the curl I'm looking for. You can see it's already curled and it's so nice looking. Look at that. It's so beautiful, isn't it? And that's how I did the rest of the braids to achieve this extension. Yes, look at that. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Yes, if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye.